TV with Katie Concepcion.
Good morning,
Naive,
Chris.
super pretty. From
China.
you've traveled a lot this year.
Yeah.
Where have you been?
It started kasi when I went to Nepal for the UN World Food Program.
That's around Christmas.
That was around Christmas. Then, tinuloy ko siya sa Brazil. Tapos from
Brazil
Nepal.
for Madonna, right?
For Madonna. With Sarah, Julia Tapos Thailand, yata kami family. We really make time to spend time together. Tsaka mas maganda yung out of the country para si Mama
Relax.
shopping,
Okay, after that,
nag-Japan. Family ulit yun.
Ito, nag-Paris ka.
And then recently, I went to Paris because napack up kami.
Sabi mo
Wala si Ate Juday kasi nung time na yun. So, meron kaming
Bongga naman yung nabiya. And then you're going to the States.
Then, we're going for concerts. My mom
When? Invite na ako.
Oo nga. May 25,
26
26 in Cash Creek.
Where's that nga?
California. Sa may San Francisco yan, diba?
Oh.
So, I'm guessing in her shows. So, we're gonna be in the States together naman.
I'm so excited na kasi can you believe Josh is turning 18? I have an adult. 18 na siya. So, for Kuya's birthday, pupunta kami ng Singapore.
Because you
And
never
then-
travel without your kids, diba?
And he got to choose where he wanted to go. So, we're sharing this with all of you. I-reveal ko na part of the second anniversary of Chris TV. Makikita nyo yung biyahe namin kasi we're going to Singapore and then we're going to the Johor in Malaysia where Legoland is. Oo, tapos merong Hello Kitty Land din na care ng mga anak ko pero
Hindi na kay Josh yun.
For me. Ako yun. Tapos after we're going on a cruise. I love cruises because itong cruise na to has the DreamWorks experience. Nandiyan si Shrek at Madagascar.
Hindi na siya Disney cruise.
Kasi iba na naman Royal Caribbean. Tapos sa Singapore kasi may mga bagong rides sa Universal Studios.
Ako yung inaano mo nagta-travel, mas malala ka pa nga dito.
Oo, pero ito yung aming name the theme park naman. Yun ang aming goal in life. Abangan niyo po yan by the third week of June.
Exciting.
Makikita niyo yung entire trip namin pati that cruise.
You do it for the kids, diba?
It's their joy. So I want them to have joy. Oh, okay. Diretso tayo. Unang hot